Signs of life in the tropics and lake effect showers. I'm going to use this to check out the most interesting weather today in 2 minutes or less. It's Thursday, August 28th. Signs of the season, it's a bit cool in the east and cooler in parts of the south down to Arkansas underneath these clouds and rain. The most intense rain today will be from the monsoon moisture that came into the Intermountain West and then has been drawn like taffy along this front, so Kansas has had flooding problems. Some places will get 3 inches of rain in a stripe from Kansas down to Arkansas. The heaviest rain is on Wichita radar. You can see the thunderstorms, and here is the lightning. And I'll be watching lake effect rain showers in New York as chilly air moves over the warmer lakes of Michigan, Erie, and Ontario. Look out downwind. Signs of life in the tropics, but it's a long way off, almost over the edge of the earth. There's a wave that isn't even over the ocean yet. It's forecast to pass off the continent of Africa and into the ocean this weekend, where conditions will be favorable for some development. The Hurricane Center gives it a 20% chance. It's also interesting that there's moisture kind of connected to post-tropical storm Juliet. That's making it cloudy in Southern California. If you want to sound smart at work, you could say, gee, Colleen, did you know that it's going to be cloudy today in San Diego? I love watching the weather, so I made this device. In fact, just last night I worked out a few bugs on it. I call it the Weather Observer. This just sits on my shelf and shows me updated images all day. Here are the extremes across the country early this morning. Highest and lowest temperature and strongest wind gust. There's the chilly air in the northeast, barely above freezing at the Whitefield Airport. And not quite as hot, still hot, but not quite as hot in Phoenix. Is the weather interesting today where you are? Well, let me know. TheWeatherObserver.com.